many rivets to form. This could be a two-man job, but in this case, I'm handling both the rivet gun and the bucking bar. Well, it happens sometimes. I messed up a rivet. Major surgery now required. It's precision work, so I've donned the light and the eyeglasses. Don't fear the rivet. We're just going to drill it out. Center punch finds the hole in the manufactured head there that's handy, but oftentimes that little dimple is flattened by the rivet gun, and you have to make your own. You want the center punch right directly down the center of the, well, here's my fair share of destroyed rivets. The only way we would take the smallest drill bit so as to form a pilot hole directly down the center of the shank. The manufactured head is larger than the shank, so that's why it has to be in the center, or at least you hope it is. The hole started. I inspect to see if it's in center, and if it's not or slightly off center, you can angle the drill bit slightly to walk it toward the center before you go in too deeply. Clamp was in the way, so I've repositioned it. Now I can angle that drill bit a little bit as I need to. There, that's about center. Happy with that. Now we deepen the pilot hole. Hopefully the pilot hole does not touch the surrounding metal. Changing the bit now to a larger diameter. This will be used to remove the head. We're going to use that pilot hole as a guide. To remove the head of the rivet. I wobble the drill there slightly. That's to help break loose that head, which is now very thin metal. And success. Going now for the punch and the big hammer, but that wasn't necessary at all. It just slid right through with the insertion of the punch. So build on. This solo act requires some dexterity. Long arms are helpful. So as you can see, you don't have a view of both sides at the same time, so you line up the bucking bar, hold it in place, and then align the gun on the other side, shoot. It looks like a vertical line here, which it is, but that's only because the wing is standing on its spar. The main spar is on the lower part of the picture, and the upper part of the picture is the trailing edge of the wing. Now this last rivet at the very top, or I should say aft, there just below the rear spar, is a toughie. So the tungsten bar I was using will not fit in that space. It's just too narrow in the rib, so I used a different style of bucking bar. The forward rivets close to the main spar there are best accessed from the floor position. Contortionist dexterity is helpful. Final inspection.